Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design. Wooden floors are a timeless and beloved choice for homeowners due to their natural beauty, durability, and versatility. With a rich history dating back centuries, wooden floors have stood the test of time and continue to be a popular flooring option in modern interior design. One of the most appealing aspects of wooden floors is their wide range of wood species and finishes. From classic oak and maple to exotic species like teak and mahogany, each wood type offers distinct characteristics and grains, adding unique personality to the space. The variety of finishes, such as natural, stained, or distressed, allows homeowners to achieve different looks, from rustic and cozy to sleek and contemporary. Beyond aesthetics, wooden floors offer exceptional durability and longevity when properly maintained. High-quality hardwood floors can withstand heavy foot traffic, making them suitable for both residential and commercial spaces. Regular cleaning and occasional refinishing can restore the shine and luster of wooden floors, ensuring they remain a cherished feature of the home for generations. Wooden floors also have a natural ability to regulate indoor temperatures. They stay cool in the summer and provide a cozy warmth during colder months, making them comfortable year-round. Additionally, wood is an excellent insulator, helping to reduce energy consumption and noise transmission. The versatility of wooden floors allows them to complement various interior design styles. They effortlessly enhance the elegance of traditional or classic interiors, providing a warm and inviting ambience. Simultaneously, they create a perfect base for contemporary and minimalist designs, adding a touch of warmth and character to clean lines and modern decor. Wooden floors can be installed in various patterns, such as straight planks, herringbone, or chevron, adding visual interest and depth to the room. They also provide a neutral canvas for decorating, allowing homeowners to experiment with various color schemes, furniture styles, and decorative elements. While wooden floors are generally low maintenance, they require occasional care to keep them in optimal condition. Simple cleaning practices, like sweeping and mopping with a damp cloth, can remove dirt and debris. Using rugs or mats in high-traffic areas can help protect the floor from scratches and wear. In conclusion, wooden floors are a timeless and versatile choice that enhances the beauty and functionality of any space. With a wide range of wood species, finishes, and installation patterns, wooden floors cater to various design preferences and interior styles. Beyond aesthetics, their durability and ability to regulate temperature make them a practical and enduring investment that adds value to any home. Whether in a traditional or contemporary setting, wooden floors continue to exude natural charm and sophistication, making them a beloved flooring option for homeowners worldwide. In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!